Hello there, Hydrauliac here. Conditioning devices are used to maintain the quality of your oil and keep performance consistent. In schematics, conditioning devices are always shown as a diamond. One common conditioning device is the cooler. Coolers are used to keep oil temperature below a point where damage to components and the oil itself could occur. Keeping a consistent oil temperature also results in more consistent performance of the machine. The symbol for a cooler shows an inlet and outlet to the diamond. It will also have two arrows coming from the center of the diamond and pointing outward. This is to show that heat is leaving the oil. Conversely, an oil heater will have the same symbol, but with these two arrows pointing toward the center for heat being added. The other common conditioning device is a filter. Filters do exactly what their name implies. They remove unwanted particles from the oil. Like the cooler, a filter has an inlet and outlet. It also has a dashed line running through the middle of the diamond. An easy way to remember that this is a filter is by thinking of this dashed line as a screen for the oil to pass through, where particles will become trapped. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and check out this playlist to learn more about reading hydraulic schematics.